Hey, welcome back to Two Super Guys Trade Stocks. I am Dylan,
And I'm Vinny.
and we're going to take a look at what the craziness that happened in the market today. And I shorted two stocks very unexpectedly. Told Vinny about it. He joined me. We're gonna look at them right now.
Love it.
Two Super Guys Trade Stocks. All right. Before we look at those stocks, it would be nice if I notice something happening intraday, I'll bring it up. So I texted Vinny, I was like, I'm gonna short this stock. This is perfect. Ideally, we want to get to a point where I don't know, we have like a I don't know some way for me to like tell everybody because it would have been nice. But quickly, we only once we get bigger, maybe if we ever get bigger. um,
The real question is, do we have like a confirmed rejection off this 200
no, we
SMA
don't.
again? That's like what? No, okay, and
No.
not quite there yet. All
No,
right.
this is look. I want to say yes. The last time we had that high of volume was around here. It's a full bar down. The buyers were in no way stepping in, but you never know until you get out of your options and take a profit. Until that point, you're always at risk, right?
Very true.
Um, if I'd be lying if this wasn't a great sign, but we could wake up tomorrow and have one of these bad boys, right? So, Jerome Powell can come out and be like, we're going to go back to 0% interest. You don't know. I doubt it. But, what I saw on the SPY specifically, let me go back. So this is the whole day. We were putting up hammers right here. So sorry, not hammers, spinning tops.
Spinning
We're,
tops. Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
we're putting up spinning tops on decent volume. So I was like, oh man, this is about to happen. So I bought some options. The options that I did buy, as you can see, I also day traded this today. I shorted it. Let me get to here. There we go. So I texted Vinny. Look at this.
Yeah.
I mean, this is crazy. It's
It goes
perfect.
back to like June of last year. How
Yeah,
how long it's been since the CCL has been above this level.
yeah. I mean, it's pretty easy, and they've been going straight up, which they don't do very well, or
Yeah.
very often. If you guys have watched this channel, you know that they are in some fundamental hell right now.
Hmm.
They're not doing great. This is a pretty ideal presentation for a short, so that's why we did it. We're gonna show you something else too. We're gonna go to these slides. Here's
Yeah.
Vinny's.
Yeah. So personally, I've enjoyed playing these kind of bearish trades through like a call credit spread kind of facility. That's what I instituted today when Dylan texted me. I took a look at both CCL and the other company he's going to talk about here, and I thought CCL setup looked a little bit more convincing to me. So that's the one I went with. But basically, I sold a February 17th, which is like the next monthly call option expiration date. I sold the $8 call, and I bought a $12 call, giving me like a $4 wide spread basically here, and I collected $257 in premium. So 257 will be my max profit on this trade, and then ECCL to be below 8 by the February 17th. Or I could maximum lose is like $143. So I thought the risk reward ratio of this kind of made sense to me.
Yeah, especially when you have that beautiful daily graph, like as your
Yeah.
backup, right? And the nice thing about this is he's not going to lose 143 bucks. Okay, if the SPY hits 401 or 402, or CCL breaks out of that little bit of the daily, just sell. You lose 10 bucks. Just get out. This is a
Yeah.
very low risk trade.
Yeah, the intraday profit was $21, and also my whole bearish like option spreads were all in the green today. A massive day up like 30%, and so this is my little stupid fun money account. But I put another trade actually on up here above 400, thinking SPY won't get above that level.
Nice, nice.
Yeah,
Here's mine. I went a little bit more balls to the wall. I just bought puts with a year expiration.
wow,
Um, I'm not going to hold these for a year. I'm probably going to hold them for 2 or 3 weeks. Literally, I just don't want any theta decay. I don't like doing this for 2 months and then I don't know. Someone says something, we go back up for a bit, then we drop. Not worth it. I'd rather just get the money while I can. Yeah, 5% today, and then go to the next
yeah.
one. PTON, baby. What a shitty company. um,
Oh yeah.
so same thing. I just bought 2 long-term puts. I'll go to the chart here real quick. It's not as pretty, but it's still pretty. All right. They have a little bit higher peaks here, but you can see the 200 moving average coming down here. Once again, I did both these trades right as the SPY looked like it was peaking, and it could not get that 400 level. So in reality, the max I could lose is 400. It's not accurate. I will lose at the most $15 because if this stock goes above 12.10, I'm out. Quit,
Okay.
done, because it's going to break the pattern. So it's an incredibly low risk trade. I just put in a stop loss, it's out. So
I like it.
pretty
Nuts.
dope.
Gotta love profiting from trash companies like PTON. CCL, I don't want to call it a trash company, but they're a company that got basically destroyed by the
Yeah.
pandemic, and it's not going to be pretty for them anytime soon.
Yeah, and if we're offending any CCL people, not a trash company, we both made a bunch of money long on them. We were like a lot. They got dealt a rough hand. PTON is shit. All right, it's just a step. Well, no, it's not as bad as Nikola, but it's just up there. So,
Yeah.
if you're looking, Nikola still not shortable. It's $2. It's not worth it.
All right.
All right, guys.
Catch
Go
you
on,
guys
Frozen.
in the next one.